I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer funds from Stripe to Payoneer, follow these steps to make the process smooth and efficient. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by accessing your Stripe account. Make sure you have all the necessary details handy, including your Payoneer account information. Step 2. Navigate to Payouts. Once logged in, go to the Payouts section in the dashboard. This is where you can manage your funds and initiate transfers. Step 3. Select Transfer Method. Choose the option to transfer funds. You may need to select bank transfer or a similar option, depending on your account setup. Step 4. Enter Payoneer details. Input your Payoneer account details, including your account number and any other required information. Double check for accuracy to avoid delays. Step 5. Confirm and initiate transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope this guide helps you transfer your funds easily. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask.